On Wednesday morning, fire broke out at Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. As soon as the blaze was reported, several fire tenders rushed to the spot. The visuals recorded at the site of the incident show many firefighters spraying water and a huge plume of smoke rising into the air. The fire broke out in one of the older buildings of the hospital, and the 3 new blocks of the hospital are safe, reports revealed. As per the Principal Health Secretary, all the patients have been evacuated safely, and so far no casualties or injuries have been reported. Further details are awaited. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced on Tuesday that the Madhya Pradesh government will give Rs 900 per month for farmers for rearing indigenous cows to promote natural farming. Stray cattle became a major political issue for the farmers in the state of Madhya Pradesh after the issue was taken up in the recently concluded elections in Uttar Pradesh. There are about 8.5 lakh stray cattle in Madhya Pradesh according to the 20th Livestock Survey. The Chief Minister said that desi cow is essential for natural farming and the scheme would help the farmers make organic manure. The farmer will get a total of Rs 10,800 in a year via the scheme. To promote natural farming at the district level, a committee headed by the district collector will be set up, said Narottam Mishra, the Home Minister of the state. A massive fire broke out at the Bhalswa landfill site in North Delhi on Tuesday evening. This is the 4th such large-scale fire in Delhi's landfill site in the last month. The other 3 fires were reported from East Delhi's Ghazipur landfill site. Nearly 10 fire tenders have been deployed at the site of the fire as soon as it was reported. The cause of the fire has not been ascertained yet. The efforts to douse the fire were on till late in the night, and the corporation has deployed excavators to dump sand on the origin of the fire. The frequency of landfill fires has increased with the rise in temperature. Pakistan-sponsored terrorism forced 64,827 Kashmiri Pandit families to leave Kashmir Valley in the early 1990s and settle in Jammu, Delhi and some other parts of the country, the Ministry of Home Affairs reported. According to the annual report of the ministry, as many as 14,091 civilians and 5,356 security force personnel lost their lives to militancy in Jammu and Kashmir between the 1990s. Besides Kashmiri Pandits, militancy also forced Sikh and Muslim families too to migrate from the valley. In a horrifying incident that took place in Thanjavur in Tamil Nadu, at least 11 people died and 15 were injured, including 2 children, after a temple car came in contact with a live wire. The incident happened during the temple festival in Kalai Medu of Thanjavur district of the state. The procession reportedly came in contact with a high-tension wire as all the low-tension wires were cut off. Out of the 15 injured, 6 are in a critical condition. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has announced Rs 5 lakh compensation for the families of the victims who died in the tragic accident.